This was a request from multiple people.
Damn, winter hit us really early this year.
Yeah, it's only the middle of summer yet we're having a massive snowstorm.
Let's see what's on the TV today. I'm tired and wanna see when the snow is going to go away.
Welcome to Go Animate and Beyond City and Atamina City News. I am your host, Brent Does Games. Today, the three cities are getting hit by a massive blizzard that will last overnight. Please, for the love of God, stay safe, stay warm. This is very dangerous since it is so cold. 4 people have already been hospitalized since the morning because of the cold. Thank you all for watching the news. Peace out.
Ugh, damn. So we all need to stay inside and do shit since it won't go away soon.
I am going to go stock up on food at the store before the storm gets worse.
Ugh, fine. I will come with you so your dumb ass doesn't die. Okay, let's go.
Caillou, Rosie, stay good or else you're fucked.
Well, shit. Our parents are out in the snow. I guess we can watch TV for a bit.
Hello, and welcome to the X Show. On today's episode, I will be putting all 7 of my toes in an electrical outlet and seeing how much it hurts.
Oh, come the fuck on. The power went out because of the stupid fucking snow.
Caillou, quit being such a bitch. If you keep complaining, I will call mommy and daddy and get them to ground you.
Fine, whatever. I am just going to go to my room. Everything is boring when the power is out. Well, I still have my laptop. It's 2 in the afternoon. I should take a nap instead of doing anything.
Rosie is bored, so Rosie will use all of our generator's energy by blasting some badass music.
Hey Rosie, the storm is over. Go outside and make a snowman.
Oh, yay. Oh fuck, how you lied. The snowstorm is still fucking intense.
Rosie, what the fuck are you doing out in the snow?
How you told me to go outside.
There we go. I completely boarded at the door, so now Rosie can't come in. Now I can have my nap without any disturbances. Hey, the storm is over. Now I can let Rosie back into the house.
Caillou, you locked your parents outside in Rosie and let them freeze to death. You are now grounded for 8,972,534 years because of how stupid you are. I cannot fucking believe you.
Wah 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 wah.